Na bahati ya bahati sometimes friendships come and go during war time. So bahati invited me for the meeting, which I don't know what it is. I think I have to come here and be a part of this meeting. So that's why I'm here. Being bahati being like my small brother, I have to be here maybe to lecture him and understand what is this meeting about. At the end I even namwambia bahati and kama ni yani kitu kizuri tena lazima tusherehekee. I'm here to celebrate with bahati. Because sasa bahati, one thing with bahati is that his story resonates a lot for me. Unajua nilikuwa makanga for members for money with the right. Nilikuwa na beba hiyo. So bahati where he came from, again he came from the ghetto. Si ni kweli unajua sisi wote. So we like our story is more or less the same. So I feel his story resonates with me. And again ni mtu ana okay when I give him something to do something. When I tell him please brand ambassador for me, he does a good work, and that's why we always keep on coming back to him.
As a successful business, how do you view the music?
Okay, hapo kwa successful business bado sijafika hapo, but I still feel sijafika pahali nataka, but as having taken some fewer steps in business, I feel music industry in Kenya it's doing well, but there's so much that these guys can do. I saw some other time some people saying maybe other artists from other places wanakuja Kenya kuchukua pesa za what the artists should be taking, but I think people need to understand the need of us as the listeners, the music people, so that they can be able to give us what we want. Yes, I think I would. Because I think if I would be a musician and someone is saying that our music will be played 75% in the local radio, I think I would support that, because that will make sure that people are able to view and listen to music. But again, people need to give that music. It's not about forcing the music to play 75%. The musicians need to give us the music that we are able to listen without being forced at 75%.
So you feel our Kenyan musicians, some of them produce songs that the world can consume for something?
I don't want to judge, because I'm recently in Mauritius I danced, and people say that I did win for Africa, but I think you know, every music it has its own niche. That's what I would say. It's like any other thing. So I think maybe people need to understand what niche are you playing the music for. So there's like kama mimi sasa nimesikiza yani nasikiza hizo words. Kama haingekuwa a lot of that word baya, ingekuwa muziki wa sana. Sisi nienda kama ingekuwa iko na watu kabisa hizo tunasikiza kwa familia. Muziki za kingine kama reggae, muziki za bongo, muziki a lot of kind of music. Depending on what you want to give. I think every music can be able to sell. Because kuna a certain person can be able to listen to any of my own. I don't think bahati anaweza tu sijui, lakini sidhani bahati anaweza
kama investment kwa yani kwenye ameshika tuma ikabaki hapa na nani sasa hivi.